Meaning of dehumanize.
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 Dehumanize. The term dehumanize means to deprive someone of their human qualities, often by treating them as though they are not important or worthy of respect. This can result in the person feeling excluded or marginalized from society, leading to feelings of loneliness and isolation. Dehumanization can also be used as a tool for discrimination, allowing individuals or groups to justify mistreating others based on factors such as race, ethnicity, or religion. Ultimately, the result of dehumanization is a loss of empathy and compassion for others, leading to a breakdown in social cohesion and a decreased sense of community.